Imagine the year 2025. It's a time when advanced technology intertwines with new challenges, creating a reality that only recently seemed the stuff of science fiction. We live in an era of unprecedented pace of change, where technological innovations are transforming every aspect of our lives. The cities of 2025 are living, breathing organisms, fully integrated with technology. Smart buildings repair their walls themselves, automatically regulate temperature and filter air, ensuring optimal living conditions. Windows are no longer just transparent panes. They are translucent screens displaying data and even serving as vertical gardening systems. The streets are quiet and eco-friendly, dominated by autonomous vehicles powered by hydrogen and solar energy. Traffic flows smoothly, free of congestion and pollution, dramatically improving the quality of life in urban areas. Cities are developing on multiple levels, with separate spaces for pedestrians, public transport, and autonomous vehicles, increasing safety and efficiency. Buildings have become active energy sources, with facades covered with photovoltaics and advanced energy storage systems. This makes urban structures energy self-sufficient, reducing grid load. Urban adaptation to climate change is a priority, with green roofs, vertical farms, and intelligent energy and water management protecting us from extreme events. If you like these concepts and other popular science topics, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss other similar materials. In 2025, medicine was revolutionized, transforming our understanding of health and longevity. Gene therapies and DNA editing allow us to treat genetic diseases before birth, eliminating suffering and hereditary burdens. Three-dimensionally printed organs became standard, replacing the need for donor transplants and eliminating the problem of rejection. Nanobots, miniature medical robots, circulate within our bodies, detecting and eliminating cancer cells at an early stage. They repair microdamages at the cellular level and precisely deliver drugs to where they are needed. Thanks to these innovations, average lifespan has significantly increased, reaching 120 years and beyond, shifting social and economic paradigms. Humanity's future extends beyond Earth, with space exploration and resource utilization as key pillars of development. Permanent bases on the Moon and Mars have become self-sufficient colonies, opening new horizons for human settlement. Asteroid mining is a dynamic new industry, providing valuable metals and minerals. Moving heavy production off Earth to orbit or other celestial bodies significantly reduces pollution on our planet. This allows Earth to regenerate and becomes a key element of sustainable development. Space has become not only a destination for exploration, but also a source of prosperity and innovation. In 2025, energy relies on clean and nearly inexhaustible sources, radically changing the global landscape. Nuclear fusion has become a reality, providing vast amounts of clean energy without the risks and waste of traditional nuclear power. This is a breakthrough that ensures energy stability for the entire planet. Photovoltaic satellites in orbit collect solar energy and transmit it to Earth, eliminating production interruptions due to weather or nighttime. This guarantees constant access to energy regardless of local conditions. Thanks to advanced technologies, desalinated seawater is available in vast quantities for agriculture, supporting hydroponics and aeroponics. This solution eliminates the problem of drinking water shortages and enables food cultivation even in deserts. The availability of clean energy and water are the foundations of global prosperity and food security. The world of work and education has undergone a profound transformation, adapting to the new technological reality. Automation has taken over most repetitive and physically demanding tasks, freeing humans for more creative and strategic roles. This has redefined work and required new skills. Artificial intelligence has become a ubiquitous assistant, advisor, and translator, supporting us in everyday tasks and decision-making. AI doesn't replace human intelligence, but rather enhances it, opening up new opportunities for development. Education is personalized, tailored to the individual pace and capabilities of each student. This allows everyone to develop at their optimal pace, maximizing their potential. Immersive virtual reality simulations have become a standard in education, offering realistic experiences and practical skills. Students can explore ancient civilizations, perform complex surgeries, or design futuristic cities, all within a safe virtual environment. Art and culture have also evolved, incorporating new technologies and redefining the concept of creativity. Artificial intelligence actively participates in the creative process, composing music, writing poetry, and creating paintings. AI is becoming a tool and partner for artists, opening up new aesthetic horizons. This new definition of creativity places humans in the role of curators, selecting, modifying, and interpreting works created in collaboration with AI. This changes the relationship between creator and work, emphasizing the role of human sensitivity and vision. Art becomes more interactive and accessible, blurring the lines between creator and viewer. With technological advances, profound ethical questions have emerged that require global reflection. Genetic modification and the possibility of digitally replicating consciousness pose fundamental dilemmas regarding identity and humanity. We must define boundaries and principles that will protect our dignity. In the face of ubiquitous automation, the need for a universal basic income has become a pressing issue. UBI aims to ensure a decent life for everyone, regardless of employment, and prevent mass unemployment. It is a societal challenge that requires innovative solutions and global cooperation. Despite technological advances, 2025 also presents significant challenges and threats that demand our attention. Climate change remains a real threat, with rising temperatures, rising sea levels, and extreme weather events. Adaptation and continued action to reduce emissions are crucial. Unchecked, artificial intelligence, AI, can make decisions that are contrary to human interests. Developing ethical AI and security systems is a priority to ensure that technology serves humanity. Cyber warfare and control of outer space are emerging arenas of conflict that require international regulation and cooperation. Global pandemics in a highly mobile world can spread with unprecedented speed. This requires the continued development of medicine, early warning systems, and global response protocols. These challenges remind us that technological progress must be coupled with responsibility. The future we see in 2025 depends on the decisions we make today. Our choices in energy, education, politics, and science shape the world we will live in. It is up to us to decide whether we will harness the potential of technology for the good of all. The need for cooperation and adaptation across boundaries is crucial to meeting global challenges. Only together can we build a sustainable and equitable future. We have a choice: strive for sustainable development and harmony, or allow crises to dominate our reality. It's up to us to decide whether the year 2025 will be a testament to human wisdom and adaptability, or a warning against uncontrolled progress. The future is in our hands.